Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already. This are the Skilla. You see it? Now, aren't you tired of doing this to black men? Is what the wife asks a police officer while his colleagues has her husband in handcuffs. You see it? Now, at a place that is called Marietta, Georgia, that's in the United States of America, police officers was called to deal with a situation that was between a African American couple and the employees of a restaurant. It has been reported that the police officers was told that the husband of this lady threatened the employees. You get me? Now, bear in mind that I'm going to show you this video so that you can take a look for yourself. But before I show you the video, I have to make sure I want to know that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Okay, but don't holler at me like that. Okay, well, I'm gonna talk about it, but you're not gonna holler at me like that.
Now.
Okay, but he's not gonna holler at me like that.
Okay, Laura.
I'm a man just like you, a man.
Wait, so you need to wait.
Please, you got too much to lose these days.
Show some respect so I can show you.
You show some respect.
No.
You
You know
know
how
nobody.
police officers are. Sir, I'm just
I
trying
don't know
to get their
what
corner
talk.
covered. They won't give
We
me
shouldn't
anything
leave.
for anything.
We
When
shouldn't
I
leave.
came in here.
We should leave.
Okay,
Let's go, baby.
let me
You don't
talk
get
to
to
you
right
real
now.
quick.
You don't get to leave.
Let me talk to you real quick.
For what?
Okay, let
Why?
me explain to you. When I came in here, I was sitting outside for 20 minutes. And when I came in here, I asked for a corporate number.
Okay,
And I
what's
went to
the
that.
problem?
They didn't want to give me any information. He asked me whether he was serving. He said, let me go back in and sit there making omelets because they said they're
They
not
weren't
ready.
asking me to leave
When he came
They
back
never asked me to
in,
leave.
he said that they're not serving bacon.
because I'm mad.
So he said that he
He
got
just lied on me.
irate with him because he asked
said
him,
I'm
he said,
bad,
I don't want bacon, I want
I don't
omelet.
what?
So at that
He
point,
said,
I'm
I
like,
want
can I
bacon.
just get
I don't want
corporate
bacon.
number?
That's just
Nobody will give me, he told me his name was John.
I don't want
She
nothing
said
to
she
do
don't
with
have to
that.
give me her number. She both own business. There's no, I've been in business for 50 years. I've been in business right down the street here.
No.
That's not how you deal with customers. If I'm asking for a number.
That's true though.
And
And I saw the whole thing.
Exactly. So what am I supposed to do? So she still won't give me her name. That's not what you're doing a business. I want her name and his name so I can call
He's
corporate.
yelling. He's yelling. The officer is yelling at me. He's not yelling right now. No, I'm not.
Ain't nobody saying they was killing anybody. The lady was here the whole time.
Yeah.
But if you yell at me,
But she was here the whole time.
Yeah.
She was here the whole
this
time.
man. If you
Okay.
yell at me, I'm gonna yell back. He's a man just like I'm.
I'm not done yet.
But you disrespected him. But no, wait a minute. But you disrespected him. Yes, you did.
not
Yes,
stop
you did. You
talking
just
over-
hollered at
You
him.
stop talking.
You just hollered at him.
I did holler
Okay,
because
that's why.
I'm in the middle of an investigation
That's
for a
why.
possible death threat.
And nobody
So when I
death threat him.
Okay.
Did anybody hear him death
No.
threat?
Listen, man. That's
No,
why I'm
no.
investigating.
Okay.
And I'm posting this whole thing I'm
But you
posting.
not gonna yell at
Nobody's
me.
death
But
threat
you not
nobody.
gonna
He
yell at
came
me.
in
You
here
not gonna yell
yelling.
at me.
He came in here yelling.
Sir, don't grab me,
Don't
sir.
talk to
Please.
me. Just talk to
Please.
him.
Please, sir, don't grab me.
No, please.
There was no death threat.
Please. Just talk to him. Can you talk? Can you just listen to me?
Okay, but don't grab me, sir. That's all I'm asking.
So I need you to understand.
I'm listening. Don't grab me. I don't want to see
That's
that.
right. You can stop talking.
Because, sir,
I'm not
you
done talking.
screamed at him.
Why do you gotta
Because
talk
why
about
did you scream at him like that?
Will you let me finish?
You
Will you let me
screamed at
finish
him
so
like
you
that?
can hear
You
the
didn't
whole?
scream at him
Will you
like
let me
that?
finish so you can
Did
hear the
you
whole
scream at him like
conversation?
that?
He's still hollering though.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Why? 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 Ain't nobody do nothing.
Why y'all doing that?
Ain't nobody do nothing.
He didn't do anything.
Hold on.
Nardo, just let them do what they gonna do.
I'm
Let them do what they gonna do.
I'm not resisting. Why you doing all that?
Nardo. Can I
Why you
please
doing
talk
all
to
that,
him
man?
and tell him
I'm not even
I'm just
resisting.
trying to calm him down.
Look,
I know. Nardo! Please! Please, can you just go tell him to stop? Nardo!
So wrong. That is so wrong. That is so wrong. That is so wrong.
Please stop!
Stop it. They didn't do anything. They were just here eating.
I can't breathe, man.
Don't hit him. You degrading me.
I can't breathe. 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 I can't breathe.
No need to use force. Nardo, that wasn't even called for.
Right?
That's the abuse of power. That was not even called for.
Punching him in the face.
That was
I got it on tape. I got it on tape.
For what?
On the fucking floor, you're punching him in the face.
That's my husband. This is what I need for right now. Okay, can I get his wallet though with his credit card in there? She said I can. I don't want to. I just don't want y'all to shoot him.
I'm not shooting anybody.
Please, you just punched him.
Of course, because
You
he kept
just
resisting. He
punched
kept trying to
him.
grab my
And
gun.
you can punch
He
him.
did not go near your gun. That is a lie. That is a lie.
Punched him and tasered him.
Liz.
Punched him and tasered him. You should be ashamed of yourselves. You should be ashamed of yourselves.
Let's go home. I did. I got him down, Coleman. Because he's the one of them pushed me, and I wasn't doing anything. That's my husband. And they pushed me. Like, y'all don't know what y'all just did. Like, y'all pushed, like, aren't y'all tired of doing this to black men? Like, y'all should be tired of this.
Can you come over here so I can ask you what
You
happened?
can ask me right here. Good day. She got everything on camera.
Okay, that's fine. I have cameras
She
on
got
too. We
everything
all
on
have cameras on.
No, you don't have cameras that happening here.
the building, sir.
You don't have cameras that happening here. They recorded it. They punched him. They punched him like this in the face. He did not hit them.
And he was down.
They should have just
That's
talked.
what I want to talk about. Is talk about the whole incident.
Okay, you can talk to me right here. I'm okay with them hearing me.
Okay, but
Because I witnessed the whole thing too.
So I need to do it separately.
Okay,
I
that's
need to
I'm
get
right.
everybody separate.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, but I'd rather sit down. I got
That's
a
perfectly fine, but then we just need to move. I am.
Okay.
I just need to get, sure. We'll give you
Yeah,
all of
talk
our
to the
badge numbers
sergeant.
and all that stuff, okay? But what I'm saying is I need to ask everybody what happened separately. So that it's everybody's statement, not just one collective statement. Does that
SWAT
make
in
sense?
for this.
Does that make
They
sense?
called SWAT.
A man eating
in for
They
pancakes.
didn't call SWAT, ma'am. I'm just assigned to it. If you guys would just stand over here and I'll talk to her first. Is that okay?
Viewers and subscribers, could it be that this man was actually a bully? And could it be that he actually made threats? Right? Could it be that this man, which is the man that is in the handcuff right about now, could it be that he matches a description of somebody that is wanted? The fact that there are SWAT teams outside right now, you know what I mean? I mean, how big of a threat did that man make? Like, what did he actually say? You know, how much of a threat? Could it be that the employees of that establishment right there, could it be that they are the ones telling a lie on this couple? You know what I mean? Could it be that this whole thing right here actually is something to do with racism? You see me? A whole lot of questions that if you ask. So this video you see right now hit on social media. And just like every normal video you see where African American is being arrested, you know, that have something to do with the law, which is the police officers, you know, this thing is going to be often the brand as racism. You see what I say? Now, that's where I bring this video to you, my viewers, for you to take a look on this again and tell me what you really think about the situation. You know what I mean? I mean, like, there's SWAT teams outside. You see what I say? So we really and truly have to wonder how big of a threat did this man make, and did he actually make a threat? That's the thing, because if you listen closely, you could actually hear people agreeing with the wife saying that no threats was made. You get what I'm saying to you? So it's just a whole lot of mix up and things, you see? Now, I would like to point out that in some situations like this, it is best to comply with the law, because resisting and trying to fight the law in this way, especially the physical way, is something that will not work out good for you. You can't win. You get what I'm saying to you? And at the end of the day, you will be ending up getting charges that could have been prevented if you just calm down and just work with the whole thing little by little, right? Because once you know that you're clean, you're clean. And when you know that you're straight, you're straight. There's nothing that can go wrong when you know that you're clean. So just chill, alright? And just keep an open mind towards the situation. I mean, don't judge too harsh and don't stick on one point. You get what I'm saying? Because, you know, most people only just prey on the one thing alone. I mean, sometimes people do things that are wrong as well, alright? But as always, I don't know, me only bring to what hot on social media for keep on up to date and posted, and I'm going to see what I go on. You see what I say? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. And always remember to read the comments, because sometimes there are viewers and subscribers that leave comments that is very informative. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself, yeah, my people. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.